Bunnings Trade is supplying products and materials to construction projects across all sectors. Residential, student accommodation, aged care, health, education, government and sport and recreation. Small residential developments from slab to turnkey, including timber frames, flooring, kitchens, taps, basins and appliances. Large residential projects with commercial-grade windows, SIPS panels, doors and facade systems. Tourism projects such as Rottnest Island, where we supplied all the materials and products for the restoration of cottages and houses. We are expanding rapidly in the aged care sector. 130 front doors have been custom built and supplied to a Meath Care project in West Australia. Bunnings is constantly innovating and keeping pace with the rapidly changing construction trends. Let us assist with your product and material selection to meet all your requirements. Make Bunnings Trade your #1 choice.